fastest burrito eater competition. That is true. Don't Google it. It's the first time we've ever done a competition like this in the world. So be proud that you're here for history. Yeah, clap it up. So before I introduce our competitors, we're just going to go over a couple of rules. So everybody at the table there, they've got a burrito that features rice, 1 protein, and cabbage. So that is the bare minimum. What they did from there is up to them. Now, we got a couple prizes. For third place, we got an awesome trophy, courtesy of Niagara Sports. I think that's what it was. Second place is going home with a trophy and a $25 Lloyd gift card. And first place is going home with that giant trophy, $100 cash, and eternal glory forever. So clap it up. All right, so I'll introduce the competitors. From right to left, we got Bobby. Let's hear it for Bobby.